Power Storage Solutions provides engineering, furnish and install, and maintenance of DC power backup systems for data centers, telecommunications, utilities, and petrochemical companies. We're working on areas that are so critical. Telecommunications, which is internet. Zoom meetings would not happen without the internet.
So here we are, we had these 5 best-in-class systems anybody would be glad to operate, but integrating those together was a nightmare. And when we found Acumatica, we believed that we found the one solution.
So last time I did this, we went from Great Plains to NetSuite with 30 people at $500,000, and this time we did 10 people at $120,000.
When I refer to other CRM tools that I have had in the past, it was more of looking through the rearview mirror. The data was in there, but it wasn't real time. When I look at Acumatica and the way that we've got our dashboard and the way we've got our pipeline set up, it is a very much forward-looking approach.
When I think of Acumatica, I think of one place to do my job. By having everything in Acumatica, we are able to follow our processes from the opportunity straight through to the sale.
The best part about Acumatica is that I have the ability to look and get information, real-time information, whenever I need it, wherever I need it.
It's spreadsheet-less. In our financial review meetings, we're using Acumatica. I'll put up financials. We'll drill into them if there has questions because it's all right there.
Could you imagine what would happen if during this whole COVID-19 thing is if you lost power along with losing your internet and your phone system all at the same time? It would be an absolute disaster.
Acumatica freed us up from having to work from an office or from a centralized location.
We wanted to make sure all of our technicians were safe. We're trying to track all this through Excel sheets, but I reached out to Acumatica and said, is there a way we can track these guys electronically through Acumatica? Well, they didn't have anything. And so they created a solution called Acumatica Survey.
It is truly priceless. It is one of the most core foundations that's going to allow us to continue the growth that we're headed down right now.
I mean, I could not imagine a better partner than Acumatica during this crisis and the way they responded to Power Storage Solutions.
Sometimes in life you're good and sometimes you're lucky, but sometimes you get good and lucky, which we are with Acumatica.